Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I bet you guys are like, how do we get to see the ending results before you even wash your hair today? Well, I have a treat for you guys. As you can see, I am rocking my glasses. These are actually my new glasses, and I got them from Glasses USA, and they are sponsoring this video, so shout out to you guys for sponsoring it. So I did want to talk a little bit about my glasses first, you guys. Actually, this is my first pair of glasses. I have never worn glasses a day in my life. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw that I actually just went to the optometrist, the eye doctor. I actually went to Vision Works. I think that's where I went. They gave me my whole prescription and everything, and it was such a great experience to just put everything in and then get my glasses in the mail. So I just thought it was cool. If you already have your prescriptions, then you don't have to go, of course, to the eye doctor to get your prescriptions. All you have to do is put everything in the system, which is so cool. It was so easy to use. They did send me these to review, and you guys, I mean, they have name brand glasses. The glasses that I have on now are actually Versace. Yo, I really wanted some nice ones. This is the case that they came in. They actually shipped pretty darn quick. I was actually pleasantly surprised. I wasn't expecting them so quickly. If you do get a premium pair, because this is of course a premium pair, it does come with the glasses case that of course the premium brand uses. So it comes with the Versace case, and it had a little cloth in it, and the cloth is from Versace, and it also has other stuff in here. So I thought that was cool. So these are the glasses that I'm rocking right now. These are my everyday glasses. I need them to drive. I was so happy that they actually reached out to me. I have these. I think these are super cute. Now, the good thing about Glasses USA is that you can put your picture on their website and you can actually try the glasses on. They thought of everything. I thought that was so cool because I've never had glasses, so I needed to know how I would look in glasses, so I did that. So I do have 3 other pair of glasses, and they are all from the Glasses USA actual brand, and this is their case. Now, they all come with the cloth inside as well, and these are my second pair. Super cute. These have a pink tint to them. They all look good with my bang, don't they? I feel like they look really good with my bang. I think it's more of a square, you know what I'm saying? But these are more affordable than a Versace, of course. So definitely, I will have everything linked in the description bar below so that you guys can check them out. But that is my second pair. I have another pair from Glasses USA as well, and they look like this. Now, these have that nice, what do they call that? I don't even know what they call this print, but I just like when glasses have it, okay? This is what these look like. They all look the same, but they have different touches to them. I don't know if you guys can actually see it through my screen, but these are more pink, and they don't have anything up here, and then these have something up there. They all are kind of the same shape, though, because this is the shape that really looked well on my face, so I just went with that. And I also got 1 pair of sunglasses from them, and this is what the sunglasses are looking like. Let me put them on for uses. Let me put them on. I think they're cute. I did the cat eyes. They have quite a few sunglasses, but I really like the cat eye glasses. I think they're sexy. Super freaking sexy. But anyway, those are the glasses that I got from Glasses USA. I love them. I actually keep the sunglasses and my Versace glasses in my car because I don't need them in the house. And I keep the other ones actually in the house and stuff for when I want to read and stuff. So thank you so much, Glasses USA, for sponsoring this video. But if you guys cannot keep your eyes off this wash and go, y'all, by the title you already know your girl actually did a reverse wash and go. I'm gonna let you guys watch the video. I don't want to give it too much away, but I mean, I am cute. Without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. Hi guys. So I'm just gonna hop right into it, you guys. So by the title, you guys already know that I am going to be doing a reverse wash and go. And what it is, I just made it up. I'm basically going to reverse my styling products. So I'm going to use my gel first and my cream second. And the only reason I want to do this is because I want to see if I can get hold but no crunch. I don't know. I feel like if you put the cream on top, then it'll loosen it up. but the gel will still lock that curl in. That's just my philosophy. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, and I actually have something to do tomorrow. Like, important. Like, I need my hair to actually be cute tomorrow because I have a photo shoot. Taking a risk here, people. But as you know, I do like to put my leave-in in the shower. So I already have leave-in in my hair. So my hair is moisturized. So that's not something we need to be worried about. This is my hair is looking like. Nice and healthy and soft and whatnot. So I'm going to start from the back like I normally do, friend. Have my gel here. And I'm just going to go ahead and comb it out. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and comb it. I wasn't going to brush it. I was just going to finger detangle everything. But I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Tangle Teaser. And I'm going to first go in with the gel. I put a lot of gel on that one little piece. I always do that. So now I'm going in with the cream on top. The products are applied to this, and it definitely weighed my hair down by putting that gel on first. But I'm just going to keep going because you guys know it's going to shrivel up and whatnot. I'm just going to keep going, adding the gel and then adding the cream.
Contigo parece que rico, cuerpo a cuerpo como somos mismos. No te preocupes cuando estás conmigo. Llámame mami, yo te ayudo. Wow, I am a G with the stamina. Me gusta Latina, speak Spanish now. She think I'm cool. I'm a ton. I'm a prime nigga like Amazon. I still see her curves in the Pico. Ooh, all white toes, that's a G code. Ooh, shorty throw it back like a free throw. Between me and you, what does he know? You the one they wish that they had now. Got these other niggas looking sad now. Only got time for a bag. Money making all these bitches mad now.
They used to talk about me, but they can't talk about me no more. I'm getting coins. I got money, honey.
Mama Bella, what am I to tell ya? Walking wasabi, touch on your body, ride like a skateboard, grind on your mommy.
Okay, you guys, so I am done applying all the product to my hair, and I think it looks really good, honestly. I did do some finger coils right here because I feel like since I have a photo shoot, I should have a little bit more voluminousness right here, a little more definition. I will say at first it was like weird applying the gel and then applying the cream, but then it started feeling really smooth. It felt like my hair had a smooth topping to it. It still feels like a little like poofier than my normal wash and goes, but it looks more tame to me. So I'm about to go sit under the dryer. I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys directly as soon as I'm done. If not, I will just show you guys how my hair looks tomorrow after the photo shoot. Stay tuned. It is the next morning. I'm about to have to go to my photo shoot really soon, but this is what my hair looks like. This is a lot of definition. It isn't as hard as it normally is, honestly. It's kind of soft. It still has a hold to it, though. It has a hold, but like there's a softness to it, and it's a little wet like in there. So we're about to go ahead and stretch this out because I need big hair for this photo shoot, clearly. I'm about to go ahead and just fluff this out for you guys. Now my hair is complete, and I can give you my final thoughts on the Wet Line and the Diva Curl Super Stretch Coconut Elongator Cream reversed. I do like my results. As you can see, it's very defined. It's really cute. It's moisturized. It's giving me first day hair. Definitely not giving me like, oh, this hair is old look. What I will say that I don't think this will be great because it took a lot to dry my hair. Like my hair normally is dry by now, but I think since I had the moisturizer on top of my gel, I don't think my moisturizer can clearly get into my hair strands. I feel like the gel was kind of like a blockage. It does feel soft. It doesn't feel hard at all. I don't know, friend. What you think? Do you think this is something that you would do? I like how soft it is, like I said. Maybe I put too much gel. So maybe just like scale that down a few notches, but I don't think it's bad. I just want to let you guys know this is actually day 2 or 3. Wait, what's today? Today's Friday. I think I did it on Wednesday. So yeah, day 2. And my hair is still soft. It's really soft. I mean, it does still have a hold to it, but it's still soft. But it definitely would last you. The only thing I don't like is the bitch got flakes. I got flakes in here, friend. I don't normally get flakes, but I think because I put the cream on top, it wasn't able to absorb into my hair. So, flakes. But yeah, other than that, I still think it's cute. I do think I want to do it with my wet line and my curling custard. So putting the wet line on first and then putting the curling custard on top, because I feel like the curling custard would soften it up, but it'll already be kind of hard because of the wet line. So I don't know. I do like the method because it does make it a lot softer, a lot more natural initially. And I think it's cute. I mean, it was still hard, but it's cute. And again, thank you to Glasses USA for sponsoring this video. If you guys are looking to check out any glasses from them, make sure you click in the description bar below to check them out. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.